All right, this is case number ending 0089, New Cadillac Square versus Lynn Thornton. Plaintiff has submitted a notice of dismissal by plaintiff, whereas defendants move, plaintiff may take immediate possession. Anything left behind is deemed abandoned property, and plaintiff may sue for money damages in a separate law. Court's going to enter this.
Written on 547.
Okay. Calling case number 2334-9547 BEOT Investments versus Charnette Williams. Please step up to the podium.
Morning, Joe. We're going to be 75969.
Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Work. Good morning. What is your name?
Charnette Williams.
Good morning, Ms. Williams. Were you all able to work out a resolution?
We have not, Judge. It sounds like there's a dispute as to the standing of the plaintiff. There's a dispute as to the balance owed, indicates she's paid rent to a new owner. I really encourage her to speak to an attorney so we can speak the same way we try and resolve things between now and the next requested court date of July 28th.
Okay. Let's come back July 28th at 10 a.m. Are you all right?
Okay.
Okay.
They mess with my vacation days, you know.
What are your vacation days?
Every time I take 2 here, but you know, I'm a nurse. I don't have this type of time, but I'm.
What time works? Is it a better time throughout the business day?
Yeah. But no, July 28th is fine. We're good.
All right. So we can get you a note if you need a note. Have you communicated with legal aid?
I did. Yes, I did.
Okay. So are you all on board for the 28th to be able to knock this out?
28th. Yes, sir.
Okay. Just so you don't have to come back again and you all can work this resolution. All right. So I'll see you back July 28th at 10 a.m. If this is resolved before, I'll allow you to appear on Zoom if you have counsel here.
Okay.
They're here, you're on Zoom. Is there any objection?
No.
Okay, so we can do it like that. That may help you out a little bit, but
That's.
try to get it resolved.
Right.
Who is this with?
That's just
So you're just going to come back by yourself next time?
Ms. Williams, so hold on 1 second.
Ms. Williams, hold on 1 second, we'll get you a notice.
Okay, thank you.
You did, Judge. Yep, you did.
Calling case number 2335-0088, New Cadillac Square versus Aaron Green and all other occupants. Plaintiff has submitted a notice of dismissal by plaintiff. Signature of Attorney Abbott, who was here earlier, to submit this dismissal. Court will enter this dismissal without prejudice. Matter is closed. And that's Aaron Green, 088. You know the first one.
Yeah.
Which one was that?
089.
Okay.
Yeah.
088, 089.
Yes.
Calling case number 2335036. This is Logical PM versus Brianna Flowers and all occupants on annex. Plaintiff, through their counsel, has submitted a dismissal, a notice of dismissal by plaintiff. Will sign it and enter this dismissal without prejudice. Is Lisette Gomes here?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good morning. Is Attorney McClellan here? Oh, good morning. Have you had an opportunity to speak? Okay, all right. All right, whenever you're ready, just let me know. Calling case number 233349991. This is RCI Covington Townhomes versus Blair Sawyers and all occupants. A notice of dismissal by plaintiff was submitted to the court. Court will enter this dismissal without prejudice, as pled on the document submitted to the court. Morning, counsel. What case are you on?
I'm here on Youth Community Agency versus Parker,
What time you scheduled?
9:30.
Attorney Robinson? Teresa Parker here?
Yes.
Okay. Did you all talk?
We did.
Just let me know when you're ready.
Well, we're ready, Your Honor. Ms. Parker has indicated to me that she would like to speak with an attorney.
Okay. Well, we're a little early in the document, so please. And well, before 10:30, if she's not back before 10:30, then we'll send someone to 417 to see what the update is. And these are the second hearings, so opportunities have been afforded, but we're here, so.
I appreciate it, Judge.
Ready? Calling case number 2334997. Deanna Garcia Lopez versus Lisette Gomes.
Good morning, Robert McClellan, 3415544. I'm here for plaintiff Diana Lopez Garcia, who is present in the courtroom, Your Honor. Together with you, Mr. Martinez, on behalf of the defendant, and who has
All right. May I have your appearance?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Yep. All parties present. Okay, the consent order for conditional dismissal reads as follows. Defendant shall vacate subject property on or before August 14th, 2023. Box 4B is checked, which means that a judgment as well as an application for an order of eviction can be issued simultaneously if parties do not vacate. So this case will be dismissed. If you vacate the property by August 14th, a judgment or writ of eviction can enter if that doesn't occur by August 14th. Do you have any questions?
No, you're not.
Okay, how do you plan on turning in the keys? Okay, all right. I'll leave that up to you, but good luck.
Thank you.
We are concluded. Thank you, counsel.
Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
How are you?
Thank you.
Is Samuel Williams here? Right here. Have you had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Pippin? Is Mr. Pippin, Antonio Pippin? Okay. Are you all ready for the case to be called? All right, let's call it. Calling case number 2335-0030. This is Antonio Pippin versus Samuel Williams and all occupants. 1 second, gentlemen. All right, may I have your name for the record?
Antonio J.
Excuse me.
Hold on, ma'am. Are you on this case?
No, I've
Okay.
I've
all right.
been,
Hold on 1 second. What's your name, sir?
Samuel Williams.
Good morning.
Morning.
This is a summons, this is the second hearing for a summons and complaint to recover possession of property. Do you have plans to vacate, sir?
Yes, can I take something around?
Absolutely.
I'm with Lakeshore Legal Aid. My attorney is Millicent Mulatto. I do a QOR summons. The lady asked me to get an extended week if possible, so she can be present. My attorney asked me to get an extended week so she can be present if possible. I do have plans on vacating the property. I have offered money and everything of that nature. I guess the amount that was offered wasn't the amount that they wanted, so,
Amount offered to retain possession of the property?
yes.
Okay.
Because I have 5 children, who's still under a wardship of court, and that's going to, interfere with
Your ability to get your kids.
to get my children. I've been explaining that to them. I offered them $1,000 so far. I'm really not that far behind. $1,000 so far, which I have in my possession right now. I guess it's not what they want to hear. I'll explain to them what happened with my children. If they were to evict us out of this property with this eviction on my record, it'll hinder my Section 8 and any type of ability I'll be able to get help with for my children. Their mother, and she's in prison right now. I'm all they got. So I'm just trying to work around all this. I'm offering all I can. So,
All right, well, they're not asking for rent. So it's likely that whatever you offer, I can't say whether it's likely or unlikely, but they denied they had a legal right to deny. But on the practical side, you're gonna need housing. So whether it's here or somewhere else, you're gonna need some housing. And according to what we can do in our power to help you preserve your rights or your ability to get housing, but it's totally up to the plan. Now, Lakeshore is available today at 417.
I have an attorney, her name is Millicent Mulatto, through Lakeshore Legal Aid already. And that's why I was trying to say I'm under the QOR grant through, the state right now.
What's the QOR grant?
She was, maybe he can help me.
This is the name on it.
His attorney, Kyle Keenan, P 86413 for Lakeshore Legal Aid. His attorney is handling the family law cases. She's in a different office than the Detroit Eviction Prevention that is here at the court. Today handles landlord tonight. QLR is quality legal representation dealing with child custody issues.
Is it pending? Do you have a pending case?
Yes, right now, yeah.
And when is your case, set to be
Well,
resolved, or what's the next step?
well, in the next couple of months, we had already got our paperwork for the Section 8. This, like I said, this eviction, I should have a house and everything laid out by September. For the children who can go back to school, I've been trying to convey this to them as well, build this to them as well. I guess it's just all about the money at this point with them.
Judge,
I don't know.
I have the attorney on my, for this case.
Okay. Ask her, can she zoom in? All right, so you have an attorney. I'm impartial. How to be impartial?
Well, I've been hearing this situation for some time now. So I know he's stalled. So I mean, I've been nice. So this been going on since like April.
Are you willing to accept? Now, there's a Park Forest case that says if you accept money and there's some type of reliance that someone will stay in the home, then you have to convert the case or dismiss the case. So I don't want to lead you down that path, but is there a consideration, is there any consideration to pay, to stay for a fixed amount of time?
This is not our first time.
No, I know you're trying to get an eviction.
And then I have business that I have to run, and this takes time.
It's just a question.
I like to move forward. That's time. I like to move forward.
Okay, how long does your attorney need?
She just asked for a week to be able to be present so she can speak on my behalf.
I'll give you that week, and his attorney zoomed in. I'll give you that week. And I can't tell you what to do either. So it's totally up to you. But I'll leave it up to the attorney. I'll leave it up to the attorney and you to negotiate.
I'm like I said, I'm through the state. These people that the money can be paid, they will pay whatever payment process need to be paid to hold this off so we can move in peace without any interference.
Is there any objection to an all occupant?
Can I get a timeline on the eviction?
All right, let's come back next week.
Is that possible?
Well, I'll give you a practical timeline of where we're at. Say we had a judgment in 7 days, right?
Yes, sir.
Say the judgment was entered in 7 days. We'll be at July 21st. Where the judgment is entered. By law, you have to allow people 10 days. That'll put us to 31st. Then a written eviction has to be filed. It'll probably take a week to sign it, get it back, maybe a couple days from there. So it's about, I would say 15 days, maybe 2 weeks after the judgment date that it's likely some action, maybe a week, depending on how the bailiffs are, you can get a dumpster. So as of right now, we'll be back. Find good cause to adjourn this for a week. So we're gonna adjourn this until next Friday. 21st. You'll have your attorney can communicate on your behalf. There's a judgment that day, and then you'll be able to file a writ within 10 days after that judgment. 10 days after that judgment, or whatever you all negotiate. You may negotiate, she may have an offer that you accept. All right.
This may help too. I did speak to my people at the place where my Bridges place, they did say All I had to do was upload the paperwork, man, and they get y'all back paid. That's all I want. I just want you to know that I already filed for it. I do have to take file for it. And they wanted to see something at the top of the paperwork saying that I was going through this, because I got that paper. So they just waiting on me to post it. She said they're gonna get y'all back with it. That's what y'all want. I'm just trying to hold this eviction on so I can get my section and my children to be concrete. And the bigger house, I need a 2-bedroom, and I don't wanna say, I'm being honest, I've been telling Mr. Pimpin that my goal is to move. I don't wanna be there. I got 5 children, bro. I got that when I was by myself.
All right, we're on YouTube.
I'm sorry.
So, I don't know, it's all right. Good cause, shown to adjourn this for a week. I'll see you all back next Friday, July 21st.
Your Honor, so when we come back, the dates that you just quoted, that I heard, will they still stand, or is it?
No, those are dates of how the flow goes with eviction.
Yes, sir.
If you were to get a move out date 10 days from the next court date. So that was a hypothetical situation. But that's how it flows. I said it because everyone's in here,
Yes,
so
sir.
they understand too,
Yes, Your Honor.
kind of the flow. 10 days after the date of the judgment is when is the earliest an eviction can be filed. So July 21st, any time preference?
Well, 9:30 is fine with me, Your Honor.
9:30, all right. 9 work?
9 is fine.
All right, we're going at 9:01. We're going at 9:01 on July 21st. Make sure your attorney's here. I think she's. Good morning, Ms. Malhado. No audio. Good morning, Ms. Malhado.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Are you representing Mr. Samuel Williams?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and he's presented a good case for, he's shown good cause to adjourn this matter to July 21st at 9:01 a.m. So we'll be back in person July 21st at 9:01.
Okay,
AM.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, so week adjournment, and we'll seek a resolution at the next hearing. All right, good luck, sir.
Thank you.
I'll start working toward figuring this out.
And wait for your paperwork too, just.
So you all can both get noticed. All right. Please keep your comments to yourself. This is not, this is the courtroom. Nothing else other than the courtroom.
Yeah, I call it, James.
Our attorney, sure, and then attorney,
Excuse
yes,
me,
ma'am.
before you go any further, may I ask, can I iterate before you go to the next person?
Do you have a
I've been
case
on
today?
Zoom.
Do you have a case in here, ma'am?
Yes, I do. I've been on Zoom since 9:30 this morning, and my case number is 233-50042. I do not have a lawyer. I'm going pro per for my landlord tenant situation, eviction.
Is Perry Muhammad here?
Right here.
All right, have you had an opportunity to talk to her?
No, I have it. Oh, did I come up for it?
Stand up.
I had talked to her like weeks ago, 2 weeks ago or something like that.
You ever-
Since
I haven't
started-
spoke to him for a month.
All right, well, you're supposed to be in person, ma'am, just.
I
to let you-
understand that. Yes.
And why
And
aren't
I
you in
am
person?
disabled and my ride did not show up. That's why I'm on Zoom right now.
Okay, all right, well, you all have a conversation and let me know when you're ready to call it. He'll give you a call on the cell phone. You all don't have a resolution?
I don't
Let me
have
know.
my cell phone with me.
All right, well, you have to hold off for a second. So we'll figure out, I'll call your case. Once we have a dead period, I'll call.
So what does that mean? It's gonna be
Please be
readjourned?
patient. Please be patient.
You have any idea how long that might be?
No,
Try to make a phone call
absolutely.
to my car.
Yeah, you have time to go back to your car, for sure.
Okay.
Are you All right, yeah, you come back and should be on Zoom.
Great, so now I'm ending 09.
Bernard Finley here. Bernard Finley, Carlos Green. Carlos Green,
They're both of them.
Okay, 09094.
9096.
David Warren.
I don't see 9096.
Right, it's not on here. It's not on the docket, but it say your schedule.
Mr. Warren.
Calling case number 2334909 this is Campbell Stevens versus Sherry and
Young, for the record, Attorney Frederick J. Coleman, P56538. On behalf of the plaintiff, I'm saying for the attorney of record, that the attorney be rapid.
Madison Tuscany, law clerk, requesting permission to practice pursuant to CR 8.120 with supervision of Tyler Keenan.
Tyler Keenan, P86413.
You gotta know.
all right, I was gonna ask, and granted, permission granted. And may I have your name?
I'm Sherry Anderson.
All right, good morning, Ms. Anderson.
Your Honor, this is the third hearing for a non-payment of rent case. We have not been provided with a ledger, and counsel on the other side is not as well. He is going to get us that ledger, so we'd like to adjourn for 2 weeks.
Okay.
No objection.
All right, let's adjourn for 2 weeks. I'll see you all back July 28th at 9:01.
Understood, Judge.
This
Perfect,
is
thank
good
you.
cause for this adjournment. I'll see you all back. Take care, Ms.
Thank
Anderson.
you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You are welcome. It's here. Calling case number 233349096. This is Medical Center Village versus Jasmine Killian.
Your Honor, again, for the record, Attorney Frederick J. Coleman, P56548. On behalf of the plaintiff, and family attorney, working rapid. This matter before the court is a non-payment subsequent hearing.
Good morning, Your Honor. Phyllis Wood, P74800 on behalf of Ms. Killian, who's here to my left in the courtroom.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And please state your name.
Jasmine Killian.
Thank you, Ms. Killian.
Your Honor, I make it real quick. Part of that support adjourned, hope we get the same day we just got. Some letters and documentation together so we can hopefully get a CA and payment plan.
All right. See you all back. Court finds good cause to adjourn this matter to July 28th, 2023 at 9:01 a.m.
Your Honor, I am not available on the 28th. I can have someone, we'll take the 28th, the 28th.
Tell me what, I'm messing with this. Is fine. What day are you next week?
At the next week, I'm available all days. That day I'm gonna be out of town on the 28th.
This is Friday.
So if we could do the, first,
August 1st.
August 1st, will you be here?
All right, let's do August 1st at 9:01.
Your Honor, you're gonna step up today saying, yeah, we see you on Monday.
Thank you.
All right, you all, you have a great weekend.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, does any parties have anything ready to be called? Council,
We have a city, we entered, and council said we could go ahead without it. The last four is 9543.
9543. This is Keith Cooper here.
Right here.
All right, calling case number 233499543 Paquette Square versus Keith Cooper and all occupants.
Good morning, Your Honor. Darlene Petrosky, P 36759, for the defendant, Keith Cooper, on behalf of Lakeshore Legal Aid. Plaintiff's counsel indicated we have a CD, and he said I could enter it and have it entered without him present at the hearing. Does the court want me to enter the terms of the CD or just present it?
Court would like you to enter the terms.
Okay, that's fine. The back rent is $2,297. Court costs $160. Total, $2,457. Defendant to pay $600 by July 20, CR436 for his rent, 194 toward back rent. Beginning August 20, 2023, the defendant to pay rent plus $394, currently that equals $800, until the back rent is paid in full. These payments are to be made on September 2023, October 2023, November 2023, with an extra $281 paid by November 30, 2023, and it is signed by the defendant, myself, and plaintiff's counsel.
Okay, any questions? This is a 4B or 4A?
4B and number 7 is checked.
Okay,
No partial payment. I advance you to the court and get extra copy.
yes. Answer that consent judgment consistent with the terms read on the record. Wait around for your time. All right, you have a great day. Did you ever state your name for the record, sir?
No.
Keith Cooper. Keith Cooper, thank you for showing up. And you are going to be free to go as soon as you get your copy, okay?
The only thing I would like to add is, Mr. Cooper, do you agree with the terms that I read to the court?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, all right, court is satisfied. Thank you, counsel. Have a great weekend. Both of you all. Mr. Allen Smart, good morning. What is the address on your?
003, yeah,
Say 2003
yeah. DEARING.
Gary. Okay. Does anyone live at that address? Did you all have a conversation? You all want to talk?
You don't want to talk.
All right, let's call this case. Do any attorneys have any cases ready right now? Attorney Abbott, I entered your 2 dismissals already. You're welcome. You need to call in your name?
I'm waiting on work.
Okay. All right, sir. Calling case number 2335-0057, Ali Al-Nasmari versus all occupants. One second, please. All right. Can I have your name for the record?
Ali Al-Smari.
Thank you. Charles.
Case 616, Lakeshore Legal Aid is hearing on behalf of the defendant. We just took the payment.
Okay. And have you had an opportunity to talk to Mr. Al-Smari?
I have not yet.
All right, I'll recall this case.
Okay.
Anything for me?
Is Melissa Gonzalez here? Ursula Newton King here? I'll just check.
Your Honor, I'm gonna be here for a bit. That's, I think, one of my, so I guess if we can run a default later if they don't show up.
Yeah, after 10:30.
Absolutely, I'll be here for a while.
Okay.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Your Honor, we have a case ready.
Okay.
Just for call anything without needing for room. Right. 2334-9536.
This Hazel Hayes? Yeah, I said on this. Is Hazel Hayes here?
Yeah.
Okay, you're next, ma'am.
All right, sorry, thank you.
You're welcome.
So it's 9536. Larry Johnson.
Larry Johnson. Calling case number 23349-536. Worship. This case is plaintiff is Orchestra Towers versus defendant Larry Johnson and all occupants. May I have the
Yes, Rashid Gilmer, PA 3470, on behalf of Mr. Johnson, from Lakeshore Legal Aid. We have a conditional dismissal between, Orchestra and Mr. Johnson. Total rent, yes, the rent that's due is $606, the court cost is $106, for a total of $820. The condition is that Mr. Johnson will pay his regular rent, which I believe is $247, plus $100 on or before August 5th, September 5th, October 5th, and November 5th. So that's 4 months. And then the rest of the balance, the $820 that's left, which I believe is $420 on November 30th, 2023. Box 4B is checked, so this action may proceed without notice if he doesn't comply.
And what about box 7?
Box 7 is also checked.
Well, partial payment will not prevent court from eviction.
No.
All right. You understand the terms, Mr. Johnson?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay.
I'm not happy with it, but I understand.
All right. And can you state your name for the record?
Sure.
Did I get your name for the record?
Larry Johnson.
Okay. All right. Are both signatures on the
Yes.
conditional dismissal?
That's fine.
All right.
Yeah, proceed.
Sure.
Thank you.
All right. Good luck, Mr. Johnson, and wait around for your copy so you have a copy of the order. And have a great weekend. Thank you, counsel. Okay. Calling case number 23349-533. This is Orchestra Towers versus Hazel Hayes and all occupants.
Should I go?
Yes, please come to the podium. May I have your name for the record?
Hazel Hayes.
Good morning, Ms. Hayes. I will say for the record that Attorney Porter was here and present. Did you have an opportunity to speak to him?
To Orchestra Towers Church? Yes, I did.
Okay, and did you all work out some type of agreement?
Yes, I did.
All right. Is this the agreement that you signed?
Yes, I'm supposed to pay $601 on the 3rd of next month, all or see you later, bye.
All right. Okay, so. All right, so $601, as you stated, is agreed to be paid on or before August 7th.
Right.
2023, which is a Monday. In the event that isn't paid, then a writ of eviction could be filed after that day.
Okay.
NCR 4.201I. I'm pointing to it because you'll get a copy of it. That allows for motions to be filed within 3 days of the entry of the judgment. So if you go home, start talking to a couple people in your building and say you shouldn't have done this and this is that, and then you have a legal right to file a
I'm
motion.
thinking about the long haul. I have to think about where I'm gonna move next, and they're gonna wanna know my previous, place I stayed in this and everything, and I don't have time for all that. I'm too old for that.
Well, it's
So I'm
legal
gonna
right.
get that money so I can keep my repertoire, okay?
All right, okay, well, wait around for a copy of your judgment,
All
man.
right, thank you very much.
You're welcome, have a great weekend.
I'm blessed.
You too. I was gonna say that. All right, Carlos Green. Mr. Green, good morning. All right. I call default judgments at 10:30. Most of you all are defendants and tenants, so it may not be relevant because you all are here, so you won't get default. But in about 5 or 10 minutes, most likely, well, Mr. Horka, has everyone talked to Mr. Horka who has a case with Attorney Landau? I'm gonna go to some.
I got another case.
Okay, you have another case record?
Yeah, Audrey Hood, not Audrey Hood, Marilyn Harris.
Okay. Is it consent judgment?
No, this is adjournment.
Okay. All right, Ms. Harris here? All right, let's get you out of here. Calling case number 23349-539, Orchestra Towers versus Maryland Harris. I have you here.
Yes, Rashid Gilbert, PA 3470 from Lakeshore Legal Aid, here on behalf of Ms. Harris.
Good morning, sir.
Wait, Ms. Harris. On my way.
Can you say something for the record? Get that? Okay.
And this is her son next to her.
Good morning, Mr. Harris and Ms. Harris. Looking for your file. Counsel, are you requesting an adjournment on this?
Yes, so August 1st.
And then the other side agree?
Yes, Your Honor.
No objection?
No objection, Your Honor. I believe so because we have a new lease amendment from the building that recognizes her assistance payment. And she was supposed to renew May, I believe the end of May of this year.
Okay. And
then they were charging her full rent.
Okay.
They're trying to figure out what happened. I guess they did figure out. We can approach the bench.
Just leave it because Mr. Horton's not here anyway.
Okay.
So let's just adjourn this and then you all can,
right.
I mean, between that time, we'll figure it out. I just want to keep this at an adjournment just in case.
Okay.
He needs to hear whatever.
Yeah, so August 1st is what we agreed to.
August 1st, that's a Tuesday. August 1st.
Yes.
We're gonna go at 9:01 a.m. All right?
Okay.
And we'll be back in person. All right, you have a great day. For both of you all.
Yeah, we did. I think that was Coleman's case, yes.
Right. Beverly Williamson here? What'd you say, sir? Beverly Williams? Okay. Don't worry about getting there. Just, I just wanted to make sure she was here and just kind of get an idea of who hasn't showed up at all. Thank you.
Your Honor, we're ready on 057 now.
All right. I'm ready when you're ready. 057, this is Ali Al, case number 2335057, Ali Al Musmari versus All Occupants. morning, may I have your name for the record?
Ali Al-Musnad.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Your Honor. Logan Black, 16 Lakeshore Legal Aid, on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Fred Smith, standing next to me.
To Charlie Smith? Can you state your name for the record?
Charlie Smith.
Can we close that door? Oh. All right, the parties able to work out some resolution?
We were not able to work out a conditional dismissal, so I think at this time we're going to ask for a hearing judgment.
Okay.
We would like to request 45 days. Mr. Smith has been on the property since 1978 and just needs time to pack it up and find a new place.
1978. Long time. All right. What happened? Tax foreclosure? All right, how much time are you willing to give Mr. Smith? Mr. Smith?
I give him a month.
A month? In all practical circumstances, a month is very close to 45 days. I can't guarantee past the month. I can grant more time, but a month will likely get you to a month and a half. Eviction has to be filed after that date. We have to sign it, probably 2 or 3 days behind on signing, maybe a week. Can't say that would be the case for yours, it may be signed 2 days after, but a dumpster has to be called out to the property. So you have a little bit of time after a month, but you can count on a month. And that's what plaintiff is giving you, so you have, you can do it by consent for a month. It's the same thing as a hearing judgment. If I said, I'm giving him 45 days, then you're not agreeing to 45 days. But you've agreed to 30 days because you said 30 days, so.
He's only back himself, so if he have kids or family, I'm gonna give him more time. I don't mind, like,
No,
5 days after the month, no problem, a week after the month, I don't mind.
Okay, so let's do, all right. I'll do a judgment by hearing, keep it simple. Can you draw that, Counsel?
Yes, I'll have to check and see if it works before.
Okay, we'll do a judgment by hearing. What's today's date? 14th. If you don't mind, we'll do another week then. July 14th. Let's do August 25th. And we'll do August 18th, that's the Friday. That'll give you till the next Monday where you can file. So August 18th, move out date. You're agreeing to vacate August 18th. Worst case scenario, you're in there Saturday and Sunday, but he can file on Monday. So August 18th, 2023, this was filed as all occupants. So we'll leave it as all occupants. You'll be all occupant. Your name won't show up on the on judgment or credit, and he'll get his house back. And good luck, sir. Sorry for your loss.
I just want to know this. Did I still own it? All he had to do was show me the paper that he owned. You know what I'm saying?
And in district court, we deal with possession. Wayne County Circuit Court deals with ownership. So if you did have an action, that would be with Wayne County Circuit Court. I'll leave that to you all. If that's your endeavor, but good luck. Present the judgment, we sign it and get it back to you all. Anything else? Are you welcome? Take care. You all have a great weekend. Okay. So we're waiting on she's on.
This is the same judgment.
Judge, you still have your notes from yesterday?
I remember seeing 386. 386.
Yeah. Said it was a default.
Didn't show up.
Okay, so default.
Can I call names?
Absolutely. Take a break. Want to take a break before the default?
Jonathan Carver. Jonathan Carver. Robert Johnson.
On 1 second. We'll be back at 10:40. So listen up for your names. If you have to use the restroom or stretch your legs, we're at 10 minutes.
Fernando Carlin. D'Angelo Whitfield.
Good.
Here I got a choice.
No, wait, we're waiting for you. 10:40. Are you ready? Huh?
Michael Jean.
Yeah. Okay. Michael, give her a 10-minute break and then we'll start back. Okay. We'll get everybody.
Who called your name? Oh. Yeah, the judge will just call your case. No, I represent the family. Do you have your own attorney? Do you have your own attorney? Or you want to speak to one? So why don't we talk? If we don't have a result, you can always talk to your own attorney. This one's gonna start for August, right? Oh, August 22, okay. Right. Did it change after that for any reason? No. It was 15.
My brother used to be there.
Yeah, what did George do?
They said you're Southwest Solutions sometime. There's no way.
I'm waiting to speak to that. It looks like they are charging you correctly. This one.
I don't have my.
That appears to be a 21 July.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah. But like I said, all you guys get is 36. That's what they made no mistake.
Yeah. So it looks like.
Maybe it's time you gotta take the head
There in March, and then another credit. Adjusted for 7 months, August. So now
And I gave him $400. I was angry. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So it's, that's tension. That's true. That's all. I'm telling you. He said. Yes.
But at least in there, here should be, you get $200 left over.
Yeah. Quick though.
That's why you are. July 22 at 686. So both of us need to do some kind of stuff by 686. So you have that. So it's good. Go ahead. Same thing. Hey, show us why this is actually 686 and not. So that we can rid of any data. So we come back on July 28th. We got hopefully come back and say, so that'll give us a couple weeks to go over anything we need to figure out.
That'll give me a couple weeks to catch up.
Okay. So I'm gonna request July 28th, around 9 AM. Yep, I'll ask for it. And hopefully it's onto this with a picture of it.
I had to find my new one, so. Contract work, I'm doing. So if I can find the paperwork, this. First, 2023.
July 20th. Okay. That appears to be our. Good.
Sounds good to me.
All right, as soon as I got a second, I'll call it. Yeah.
You all touch your phones on silent while you're in here. Appreciate it.
Right.
I was gonna talk to him first. Is that okay?
Yeah, sure.
And for case something in 545, do you mind giving that a July 28th at 9:30 for a minute?
So 945.
545.
545 D'Angelo Whitfield.
Yes.
That's a what date?
July 28th at 9:30.
901.
901.
Hey, it's gonna have to. Yep.
Okay. I'll call it. Don't worry about it.
So,
call it
because of paperwork.
Hold on, I'll call it. I'll call it.
Not for the James, no.
Calling case number 2334945. Duquesne Square versus D'Angelo Whitfield.
Morning, Joe. Work at P75969, appearing to the plaintiff.
Oh, hold on, I'm sorry. Just go ahead and do whatever you're doing. I need your co-reporter.
Oh, thank you.
Oh. Our co-reporter will be back in 2 minutes.
Okay.
And then I'll call it. We'll put it on the record and get you a date. But it's July 28th at 9:01, but just give us 3 minutes. I'll call you back up here. You can sit down right here if you want. Sit down, right.
Okay.
You said you're here in session.
Okay, great. Well, bleeding. That's the album Smart. 0057. Oh, I have it. Here you go. Oh, ready to go. Oh, that's it.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, I got, okay. Yeah, thank you. How you doing? Good to see you. All right, Perry Muhammad's outside. Is Daquan Finley here? Okay. Is Raquel Owens here? You can come up. Hold on 1 second. Give me 1 second. Let me call your case first, and then I can. Calling case number 2-334-9545, Ket Square versus D'Angelo Whitfield. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, John.
Good morning. Can you state your name for the record?
D'Angelo Whitfield.
All right, Mr. Whitfield, today is your subsequent hearing. Looks like for a non-payment of rent case. Mr. Horka, who's the attorney for the landlord, standing in for Attorney Landau, previously put his name on the record. He went outside to speak to another defendant to help move along the docket. You are here. You all agreed to an adjournment date of July 28th at 9:01. Is that correct? Okay. So I'll see you back July 28th at 9:01 a.m.
Okay.
All right, what was the purpose of the adjournment?
They got an error with the paperwork. You see, the whole time that I've lived at the Ket Square, my rent has never been more than $50 because I have had an income, and that's what we agreed to. And they have it on the ledger where, like, I'm supposed to be paying $686, which is incorrect.
Okay, 736.
That is, but I got my paper I can show you with the proof.
Oh, 686 plus $50 is 736.
Right.
All right, so your difference, you're paying.
I'm only
50.
supposed to be paying $50, and they got me down like I'm supposed to be paying $686, which is an error on their behalf.
So there's good cause for an adjournment.
Yes.
That's established. Mr. Horka isn't here, so we'll keep the details to a minimum. I'm sure you all had a conversation, so good luck. If you need to retain counsel, you have a little time to do so. 417, there are lawyers in there, so consider that. But in any case, we'll be back in 2 weeks, July 28th.
July 28th. Is that a Friday, guys?
It's a Friday. Yes, it is.
Okay.
So same place, almost the same time. We'll get at 9:01 because this is the 9:30 rush. So if we can get in before the rush,
okay,
I'll get you out of here.
Okay.
All right. Wait around for your notice.
I got it.
Oh, yeah, okay, perfect. All right, we're ready to go. Have a great weekend. Who's that? Mr. Finley? Yes. You may approach. Calling case number 2-335-0071. This is Daquan Finley versus Raquel Owens and Demarion Womack. Is anyone present by those names? Or did you see any of the defendants in the hallway?
No.
Can you check the hallway and then, I mean, you're still on the dock, just check the hallway, see if they're there.
Yes, Your Honor.
The family, did you see Ms. Owens or, Mr. Womack in the hallway?
No.
All right, and do you own the property at 15771 Beaver?
Yes, on the property.
Okay, you're the property manager?
Yeah.
Do you have a deed or property management agreement?
Yes.
Presented to the court officer? You were present at the previous hearing, correct?
Yes.
All right. This is the issue. So you're representing Unforgettable Foods?
Yes.
Are you an attorney?
No.
All right, you need to retain counsel for this hearing. Because as an agent for an LLC, you're not an attorney, you can't represent an LLC. I'm not going to dismiss this case. You go out in the hallway and find an attorney, I'll recall the case. I'll give you a half an hour, or if you want an adjournment date right now, I'll give you an adjournment date right now. It's up to you, but in lieu of dismissing this matter, you've been to court twice.
Right. Is it okay, because, Unforgettable Foods, that's like my old lady, she here with me.
Look, if I, Officer Coates, anybody, we have, well, not me, because I'm an attorney, so it'll work, but if you have a business, any LLC, any corporation, you're considered a person. Only people that can represent the business are attorneys.
Okay.
So even if it's your corporation, the cost of doing business is higher than an attorney. So only DBAs will work. I see this as an LLC. So their attorneys are running. You want to try, give it a shot? If not, let me know and I'll give you an adjournment date in lieu of dismissing it.
Okay.
So if you want to get an adjournment date right now, I can do that.
Well, I'll just try.
Just try, give it a try.
Yeah.
All right, give it a try. I'll pass this case for a second. Counsel, you ready? All right, is the other side here?
Yeah, Judge, we just signed a conditional dismissal, Lake Shore, I don't know if it's Lake Shore, they're coming down.
Okay, yeah, whenever they're ready.
Just be a minute, thanks.
All right, no problem. Was it Mr. Muhammad?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready on yours?
Yes, sir.
All right, is Ms. Stanfield, Miss, where'd she go?
She was on Zoom. I went out to make a phone call.
And does she have an attorney?
She said she was representing herself. Said she ain't need no-
Do you have your phone now?
Yes, I do.
Can you give her a call and ask her to log back on Zoom? Call outside, give her a call, and then once she's back on, I'll call your case. Thank you. All right. Is it Tarika Parker? Teresa, is this, okay. Okay. All right. Get a little slow. 10 minutes.
Yes.
Calling case number 23349-516. This is Youth Community Agency versus Teresa Parker.
Ready, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can I have appearances?
Good morning, Your Honor. The record, Steve Robinson, P45753839. Good morning, Your Honor. It's James Perkins, P86604, and we have one of our law clerks from Lakeshore Legal Aid who's going to put the terms of conditional dismissal on the record.
Heavy lifting. Everyone else is doing the Germans, you're doing conditional dismissal, so. Yeah, you're up there. Okay, permission is granted. Are you?
Deanna Lake, law clerk at Lakeshore Legal Aid under the supervision of Attorney James Martinez. May I have permission?
Yes, you may.
Objection.
What law school?
Michigan State.
Problem.
All right.
And may I have your name?
Teresa Parker.
Thank you. Are you a representative for Youth Community Agency?
Yes.
Okay. All right. What are the terms of the conditional dismissal?
All occupants shall vacate the subject property on or before August 14th, 2023, or be discharged off.
Okay, and there's no, this is a complaint to recover possession of property, so there's no money amount. So box 7 is irrelevant. Has this been converted to an all occupants judgment?
Your Honor.
What's a conditional dismissal?
And it was filed as an all occupants.
Okay, because I have Teresa Parker on here
Do you?
as a named party.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, we're doing it as all occupants.
Okay, so there'll be a,
It's Teresa Parker and all occupants.
okay, it'll be Teresa Parker and all occupants. This is a conditional dismissal, so if you follow the terms, case will be dismissed. In the event you don't, 4B is checked where a judgment and a writ of eviction will enter. So we're going to keep it in your name. This is not a judgment in your name, it's a conditional dismissal. So I don't think it will have an effect on anything in the event you vacated by August 14th. After that, then the judgment could possibly be in your name and maybe it could be worked out, worst case scenario, but did we miss anything?
Nothing, Your Honor.
All right, well, you all have a great weekend. Tell Mary Ferguson I said hello. Thank you, Judge. Can you get you a copy today?
Appreciate it.
Real time.
Yes.
I'll need a copy for you. Thank you.
What year are you at Michigan State? You a full-time? It's interesting. Other Michigan State. Okay. What's your name? What's that? Rebel. What year are you? Okay. You all know Mary Ferguson?
Yeah, you probably say,
But she's the dean, like.
Dean Frank said she's one of the big.
Okay, more comments. No, Dean Green.
Dean Green as well.
All right, well. go to Japan. They can do the program.
They just-
with Rabbit. Oh, you all went?
I did not, we have friends that went.
I went. 30 days. Only opportunity you'll have to go somewhere for 30 days. Once you get your law license, somebody's gonna put you to work.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Have a great. Did you get your copy?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. With rabbits, they went with rabbits. Did the, no, I'm talking to.
Did you? Oh, me?
Yeah.
I'm sorry?
Did they go with Professor Rabbits?
No, oh yeah, he's still running the program. He is still running the program as far as I know.
Tim Brink still there? Professor Tim Brink? You all the one rising to it.
Yeah.
Dean Payne still there? What about Rosenbaum? You have Rosenbaum?
I don't have.
No, I don't have him. I know him.
What's he teaching?
Kubolaka. I'm cutting.
You ready?
Yes, sir. What did you want? Wait.
I need to, she needs to log on. Did she say she was? Okay. We'll give it a second. We'll give it, what'd you say? If she doesn't log on and we'll call her ourselves. Okay.
Nobody else.
You talk to work? Yeah. Yeah, he could say. No, I signed. He said, okay. He said, no, he ain't right there.
Hello, I've got a couple defaults, 024 and 069.
We're ready for 2-4 here.
Oh, I
2-4.
just want to do that.
He just walked up to me.
Can I see you?
Yeah, he just walked up to me. If he was ready, but.
I just need ready to transfer.
Can't keep going up.
We're ready on those two.
What's those last three digits?
024 and 063.
Okay, Judge, we are ready on 024 and 063 whenever you are. Yep, that's the home of their mark.
Calling case number 2334-9984. This is CTD Holdings LLC versus Linda Williams and all other.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is number 80522 on behalf of the.
Good morning.
Good morning again, Your Honor, here for case 664.
have the defendant. Good morning, Ms. Williams. All right. Report. Okay. You have an opportunity to speak to your attorney about this matter. All right. I have a judgment in front of me. It's labeled as a hearing judgment because this matter was dismissed as to Linda Williams. So Linda Williams isn't agreeing to anything. However, all occupants must vacate by August 14th, 2023, or a writ of eviction can issue after that date. Parties have anything else? No, Your Honor.
Okay. Do you understand what's going on? Yes? Okay. All right, I'll sign this judgment. It'll be entered as a hearing judgment. Your name is removed. It's dismissed, your name's not on the judgment, but all occupants can be removed. Parties don't vacate by August 14th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You are welcome. Four, three. Is Nikisha Cargill here? Update.
Oh, yeah.
There's a lot of attorneys here. All right. All right, I'm ready for you, counsel.
Which counsel?
You. Calling case number 2335006. This is E&E Capital Management versus Nikisha Cargill.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is 9542. We have a key capital management.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Is Nikisha Cargill here? Nikisha Cargill. Anybody on Myers? 15325 Myers. All right, counsel.
Your Honor, that's the default judgment entered for here. $2,975 to rent this in possession. $190, pardon, is our court costs for total redemption amount of $2,165, received after July 24. Your Honor, we're asking for possession only on this matter.
All right, default judgment is granted. Defendant may vacate by July 24th. Defendant shall vacate by July 24th or pay $2,165. Going to write this a little darker. 2975 plus 190 is 3165. Right.
Hope that's right, Your Honor. That's mental math. Yes.
That is right. All right. That was 063.
Yes.
Calling case number 2335004. Strategy Properties versus All.
Good morning, Your Honor. Such Department, 69542, strategy properties. And Mr. And an occupant is here.
Or does anyone live at 17? Okay, take your time, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What is your name, sir? Kevin Bird. Kevin Bird. Good morning, Mr. Bird. Your list is all occupants on this complaint. Do you reside at 17134 Ward?
Yes, I do.
All right. Were you all able to work out some type of agreement?
No, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
No, sheriff told me to talk to you.
Okay, well,
I was asked for more time than what I was authorized to get him. We're asking for 10 days.
okay,
To claim.
and this is a complaint, thank you. This is a complaint to recover possession of property. How much time do you need to vacate, sir?
No, 45 days.
Oh,
All right, so what's today's date? 14th of July. We're doing a move out day of August 11th. August 11th is Friday. All right, it's the second week in August. That will really give you until that Monday, the 14th.
Okay.
It takes a few days for a writ to be processed, so you may get 30 days, give or take a few, maybe 45, but guaranteed August 11th. All right.
thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you, sir, and wait around for your paperwork. Sir.
All right, thanks a lot, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You all have a great weekend.
Thank you too, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, we call in case number 233500042. This is Perry Muhammad versus Melinda Stanfield. Okay. All right, can you state your name for the record?
Perry Muhammad.
Oh, Perry Muhammad, good morning, and can you state your name for the record? Ms. Stanfield? Connected to audio. Ms. Stanfield, can you state your name for the record? Is you're not connected to audio? Can you hear me now? Log back in. All right. All right. Try to log back in. I'll recall your case. Calling case number 233500071. This is Quan Finley versus Raquel Owens and Demarion Womack.
Hi, Your Honor, it's Jackie Steiner Powder. We have a just going downstairs to grab a judgment form from the clerk, so if we could pass it.
Oh, no problem. You can text it or ask to log back in. You can do it in the courtroom. I don't mind. Once we have our audio, we call it. And Mr. Green. Are you ready, Attorney Abbott? Let's do it. Is Leslie Coleman here? Is Martin Armstead here? Or is Albert Harper here? Calling case number 233500084, Finkel One LLC versus Leslie Coleman.
Just in the United States, 826085.
Attorney Abbott. Is Leslie Coleman here? All right. Does anyone live at 23415 Finkel? Counsel, how would you like to proceed?
This is a complaint to recover possession of property, requesting the July 24th date. Right, default judgment granted, parties must vacate by July 24th, 2023, or writ of eviction can issue after that date. Tenants failed to appear. Calling case number 233500086. This is Shack Property Management versus Martin Armstead. Thank you, Mr. Abbott. It's Martin Armstead here. Martin Armstead. You have a proof of service as I did in the file. This is a complaint to recover non-payment of rent. What's the current rent owed?
$2,406.
2406?
That's correct.
Okay. Are you requesting a default judgment, counsel? All right, default judgment is granted. $2,406 must be paid by July 24th. The parties must vacate by that date, or writ of eviction can issue after that date. I have it. Calling case number 2335090, the new Cadillac Square versus Albert Harbor and all occupants. Service. This is a complaint for non-payment of rent with rental rate of $11.30 per month. What is the current rent owed, council?
The court cost $3,194.40.
All right. Are you requesting a default judgment?
I am.
All right, defendant failed to appear. Defendant must pay $3,194.40 or vacate by July 24th, 2023, or writ of eviction can issue after that date.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Okay. You need to pause. I will pause. Okay, thank you, Judge. We're calling case number 2335071. This is Sean Finley versus Raquel Owens and Demarion Womack.
Thank you, Your Honor. Jackie Snyder, cover on behalf of the one for me, we just go out the way. And he said that the tenant is not here, it's not properly served, so it looks like the home is Owens and LLC. So 82554 is my P number.
All right. I do have proof of service. How would you like to proceed, Counsel?
At this time, we would ask that a default judgment be entered against the named tenants.
All right.
Indicated on the
All right. This was pled as all occupants isn't listed.
Okay.
Would you, are you?
So the names of them, sir.
Oh, or, are you? Okay, yeah, name defendants?
Yeah.
Do you want this judgment to be converted to all occupants? Totally up to you all.
Or could we add all occupants? That way, anyone who remains in free after this judgment is entered, you can just evict them.
All right, so you motion to supplement the,
Yes.
we'll add all occupants. Please put it on the judgment.
Yes.
And I'll grant the default judgment. What's the total amount owed? Okay, is that including court costs? Default judgment is granted. Two defendants must pay $2,050 by July 24th, 2023, or writ of eviction can issue after that date.
I'm sorry, say that again, please.
The date, July 24th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
And I'm just filling this out and I'll do it up to 2 seconds.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ecosystem.
Yes.
Is Dorcas Word here? Dorcas Word? What case are you all on? Walker?
Yeah.
Virginia Walker? Did you all talk to him? Oh, you have an attorney? Okay. Who's your attorney? Okay. All right, is this Melinda Stanfield? Melinda Stanfield? Did you all work out an agreement?
No, sir, we didn't. Well, she's gonna move in October, and I said,
All right, she's gotta get on, she's gotta make herself available to the court. I'm gonna wait all day for her. I think she logged in as somebody else, B22. Can you come up here? I'll call.
so she had told me to go with you.
You just give her number for us. We're on the record, so just write it down for them, so the world doesn't have it.
It's all in the street, right? So, go with the eviction. So I can see. Till October.
What's that? This is her?
Yes.
All right.
The number that's on the,
Yes.
paper that I filed, change that number.
I see that. All right. You got to see right there. Donald Blackman. Calling case number 233495532. This is Orchestra Towers versus Donald Blackman.
Morning, Joe, River 275-969, representative Orchestra Towers.
How you doing?
Doing well. Can I have your name?
Donald Blackman.
Good morning, Mr. Blackman. All right, report. I'm in receipt of a judgment signed by you and Attorney Barker.
Yes.
Did you sign this document?
Yes, I did.
All right. This is a complaint for non-payment of rent totaling the amount of $554.
Yeah.
And you agreed to pay $554 on the following terms. There's an August 5th, 2023 date, but it says see further orders. So in paragraph 10, in further orders, defendant must pay monthly rent plus $139 towards the arrears.
Yeah.
And current total is a current total of $414. Okay. By 8/5,
Yeah.
9/5,
Yeah.
10/5, and 11/5.
Yeah.
And then parties agreed to waive the 56-day rule.
Okay.
56-day rules, writs of eviction must be filed within 56 days of the judgment date. But you have a payment plan, so it's gonna extend over 56 days. Say you, worst case scenario, you breach the payment plan in the third month, that's beyond 56 days, but council doesn't have to come back to get rid of eviction. We don't have to have a hearing on it.
Okay.
Because we waived the 56-day rule.
All right,
That's what that means.
all right.
NCR 4.2019, this tells you that you can, in the event that you disagree with this judgment,
I'm gonna pay it.
but any event you disagree, you have a legal right to challenge it within 72 hours. So that's there, if you need to reference it. Have a great weekend. We're done. Wait around for your copy.
All right.
All right, thank you.
No, take care.
All right.
Judge, I have her on the line. She wants to see if she can conduct this case over the speakerphone.
Nope. She was just online.
She said her phone is on 12% and is going out.
Does she have a charger?
She says her charger is messed up.
So what percentage is her phone on now? She's talking
What
to you.
percentage is her phone on now? It's on at 12%.
All right, please log on to Zoom.
Log into Zoom.
You don't have to put your camera on, just log in to Zoom so you get the judge's orders.
You got that deed, so I could give her the deed back. Have a little second. How'd you do this? Ready to go.
You can call Audrey up, yeah, of course.
In the event the defendant logs in, is it a resolution?
Yeah. Adjournment, yeah.
Okay, all right, let's call it.
Come on, Audrey.
Also, we want to give a brief testimony from a social worker, Mr. Howard.
What's the case number?
Two, three, 4, 9, 5, 4, 1.
On case number 233495541, Cassette Square versus Audrey Hook.
Yes, Your Honor, Rashid Gilmer, PA 3470, from Lakeshore Legal Aid, here on behalf of Ms. Hook. Ross Howard, social worker for Lakeshore Legal Aid.
Yeah.
Thank you. Good morning, sir. All right, parties are agreeing to an adjournment, however,
Yes, we're asking for this adjournment due to the fact that we're able to get her enrolled in a couple of programs that dealt with adult protective services being involved. So with that, we're asking that we give adult protective services enough time to come in and provide the services that she is eligible for. On top of that, she's also eligible to receive services from St. Pat's Senior Services, which is down and around the corner from her, to assist her in some more programming. So we're asking for that time so that we can get those services in place and her fully enrolled.
All right.
Also, we need to find out whether her landlord accepted a partial payment from her for the July rent. She sent in a check for $433 on June 30th for July. And that would establish a park forest offense. So we need to adjourn this case to find out whether or not they accept that.
Nothing further from your honor. I agree with everything that's been represented, and hopefully resolve this between now and.
So how long does this adjourn for?
August 1st.
August 1st. All right. Court finds good cause to adjourn this matter to August 1st at 9:01 a.m. All right, well, have a great weekend.
Thank you to your honor.
Thank you. Can you call her back?
Yep, Judge.
And she got it on default.
And that's where you able to get into the Zoom.
Qualified for anyone?
Judge, she's zooming in on another phone right now.
All right.
531 already. Okay. What's the same page?
On case number 23349-531, Orchestra Towers versus David Warren.
Good morning, Joe Worker, P75969, Blanket.
Rashid Gilmer, PA3470 from Lakeshore Legal Aid, your advice only.
Ross Howard, social worker, Lakeshore Legal Aid.
State your name. My name is David Lee Warren.
Good morning, Mr. Warren.
Yeah.
It's been represented to me by the defendants that Mr. Warren will be possibly eligible for some funding that will help him pay off his balance and that he can cover any remaining balance. So we are looking for that same date of August 1st to come back and hopefully have this results.
Okay, the court finds good cause to adjourn this matter to August 1st at 9:01 a.m. So we'll give you a notice, August 1st, 9:01. All right, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Oh, no, Ms. Stanfield, that wasn't for you. Recalling case number. Recalling case number 2335041. This is Perry Muhammad versus Melinda Stanfield. May I have your name for the record?
My name is Perry Muhammad.
Thank you. And Ms. Stanfield, may I have your name?
My name is Melinda Stanfield.
All right, thank you, Ms. Stanfield, and I understand that your battery is on low, so we'll move this proceeding along.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
You have proof of service in the file, as well as summons and complaint. Did we give you your deed back?
Yes.
Did your, may I see it one more time?
My deed.
Yes, sir.
I want to say something about the deed also. Probably can figure it out yourself, but if you can't, I'll get a comment on it.
Well, I do have a deed that states your name, that your name is on, so. All right, what do you want to say?
Okay, it's, you figure it out, so I'm not gonna worry. So market unit, when it was 41, the market unit side by side. And plus I got the tax papers showing that I'm paying 43 with 41, but it's It's just both of them at the
In
same.
the same parcel?
Yes.
Okay,
It's the same
that's not an
parcel.
issue.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Stanfield,
Yes,
are you objecting to Mr. Perry's ownership?
no, I do not.
Okay, so I just want to make sure that was a non-issue with the CDD. Do have proof of service. This is a complaint for non-payment of rent. Currently, how much rent is owed?
To my calculation, 2,500.
Is that,
That's more than that, but that's the reason. You know, because since I filed the paperwork, it's been months, but I'm not really concerned about that. 2,500.
okay, when can you pay that, Ms. Stanfield?
By August, I can pay 1,500.
$1,500 by August.
August 1st.
You have to pay the full amount by the date. How much time are you willing to give Ms. Stanfield to pay this down?
If she wanted till October, and I said I can't do that, but, so I'm just trying to put in for the the eviction. So anything after that, you know, she can work out. But right now, I'm not concerned with that.
Okay, so Ms. Stanfield,
Yes, Your Honor.
I really don't think she will.
all right. Okay, the court's gonna enter judgment by hearing. Is there any objection to an all occupants judgment?
Say that one more time.
An all occupants judgment. Whereas
All occupants.
you put the judgment in all occupants' name.
All occupants.
Okay, it would remove her as a named party.
Her and all occupants.
Her and all occupants. Okay. Okay, the court's
Did that
gonna,
change it
well, it may help her credit report
with all occupants?
versus her name being a named party. But you as the plaintiff have total control. I was just asking. So that's totally up to you. I'm impartial. All right. Mr. Perry has agreed to dismiss you as a named party and issue this judgment as an all occupants judgment. But all occupants must either pay $2,500 or vacate by August 11th. August 11th is a Friday. The next following Monday is the 14th. That 14th, you will be eligible to file for a writ of eviction. If you all work something out in between that time, Ms. Stanfield, make sure you get it in writing. And obviously you all keep your records. So.
Okay.
Move
I do
of you.
agree with that.
Go ahead.
I do agree with that, considering I'm doing pro per, I'm my own attorney, and I do understand the law and what you're saying. I do understand English, even though Spanish is my first language. And I did speak to Mr. Perry, and as well, I will, as much as I can get him by that time, when we got to go back to court, whatever is not there, he will get whatever's there, and I will vacate his premises.
All right, and on the judgment form, box 6 on the judgment that you have to turn in to the court, it states acceptance of a partial payment will or will not prevent the court from issuing an order of eviction. It will not. So, Ms. Stanfield, by law, if you were to pay $2,400 and $2,499 and not $2,500, by legal right, you have the right to still file the eviction. So understand that if you're getting something, if you pay $1,500 and there's some agreement to hold off on the eviction, make sure you get it in writing.
I sure will, Judge. Thank you.
All right, look out for some paperwork in the mail. And we need
Thank
to
you very
wait.
much.
So, you may have to go to two if you don't have a copy of the judgment. You're welcome, Stanfield. You're free to log off. You need to submit to the court a judgment.
So we'll see you August 11th.
No, August 11th is the date, is the vacate date.
Okay, thank you.
Pay or vacate.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Go to two and ask for a judgment. I think it's about $2. But on two, they have judgment. You got to fill this out. You need to request the file, let me know. Just fill this out, get it to me, I'll sign it and get you a copy. I'll get her a copy in the mail. All right, you are.
122.
What's wrong? One red. What's not wrong?
Your Honor, can I approach on an unrelated matter?
Yes.
I heard that. Work. I heard my back the other day when you said that you did yours. Mine kind of popped in.
Wow, we need.
Yes, like we can like. I take everybody down the street.
It is embarrassing.
Judge, I have a case that's on.
$28.
Sure.
About 28
Yeah, they need to get their notice.
and 9/31.
There was a 728, Your Honor.
7/28.
Thank you, sir.
We appreciate that. Just reschedule. Send out the notice. He said that they didn't have service.
Shoot.
So he just being bright. That's a Monday.
Oh, okay.
28.
Hey, coats. Hankers, you pull 172 from for July the 17th.
Ready?
172.
Is it consent? Morning. Young lady.
Yep.
Mr. Coach, when you get a chance, see what case she's on.
Miss Bailey. That's, she's on. Two, 3, 3, 4, 9, 5, 2, 8.
Okay. All right. She's right. She has an attorney.
I think so.
Okay, all right, great. Coleman.
172.
172.
I don't see.
Oh, okay, no worries. Thank you, though.
It jumped from 168 to 220.
Uh-oh.
Carlos Green. Here, but you're not really here. Mr. Green, I will default you if you don't, respond. Doesn't count if you've logged in and are now responsive, especially when we're supposed to be in person.
I know this about Mr. Green, he's a double applicant.
Okay.
Yeah. So
All right. All right, well, council is explaining to me why you're online, but, do you have his contact information?
Yeah.
Yeah, 172 is in there.
Oh, thanks.
It
Try to
jumped,
see if-
it jumped from,
Yeah, we don't represent them, but we
160
got it.
to, and then it goes 172. Not 172, but 176. And then it goes 178.
Okay, it's cool. Thank you, though.
So you all have counsel, do you have counsel now? All right, so all three of you all are pretty much, covered, you're just waiting, right?
Mr. Green, you want Mr. Green phone?
Yeah.
What is it?
Can you hear me, Judge?
Yeah, I can see, I can hear you, Mr. Green, thank you for responding. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
All right, we'll conduct yours by Zoom. Mr. Horka is not in the room right now. Have you talked to him over the phone?
No, sir.
All right.
No, wait a minute. Who did you say that? Can you say that person's name again?
Mr. Horka.
Oh,
Joe
no,
Horka.
no, I haven't
He's the
talked.
attorney, he's standing in for Attorney Landau.
I haven't.
So he's here. What I'll do is have him call you.
Okay.
So don't log off, but if you do log off, I'll have you checked in. But I'll have him call you because I think that's the only way. Unless we get him in here, we just do it on the record. So give it, just stay patient and we'll get to it.
All right.
All right, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Okay. Mr. Green? Yes, sir. I have the attorney in the courtroom, Mr. Horka. You see him in the white suit? Yep. All right, so we'll call your case. Calling case. Do you want to talk to him before, Mr. Horka? I have his cell phone number. We can just call it, put it on the record, whatever.
Probably should.
All right, expect a call on Mr. Green. Let's just
Okay.
keep it up. We'll do it way. So everything is not on YouTube if you all are negotiating something, so Mr. Walker, come grab this number. 9910, right?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. He'll call you.
Okay. You want me to log off?
No. Does it if it doesn't automatically log you off, don't log off.
Okay.
But if it logs you off, obviously log back on.
Right.
All right.
Should be ready on everything else.
All right. Yeah. Judgment form. Just ask him to give me the judgment form. I'm gonna circle the box. All right. We're on.
I think so, yes, Judge. Good.
Right. And the default, yes. One of them we did a consent, Your Honor.
Which one? 5-3 or 5-4?
The consent is, and he was going to be represented by Mr. Martinez. The default is, consent is 5-3. And the default is 5-4.
All right, let's do the consent and then the default. Calling case number 2335-0053, Evernest LLC versus Melissa Gonzalez, John Marita, and all other occupants.
Thank you, Your Honor. Attorney Paul Spaniel, P72366 on behalf of the plaintiff in this matter.
All right.
Mr. Murata, Jadon Murata is out in the lobby grabbing Attorney Brother Counsel Martinez, who signed a consent judgment with respect to just Mr. Murata. The terms of the judgment are rent arrears of $2,684.85. Cost $168.00, total $2,852.85 with their pay or redemption date of August 4th, 2023. And Your Honor, just so we're clear, the further orders were dismissing Mr. Jadon Murata without prejudice.
Okay.
And they do have a proposed judgment for the corporate administrator.
All right, can you state your name for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor, here for case 6604.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor, David Merritt.
Good morning, Mr. Merida. All right, so we have a consent judgment with rent due and owing at $2,852.85. There's a dismissal
There's an agreement to dismiss you as a named party. Julissa Gonzalez is still gonna be on the judgment. That'll be Julissa Gonzalez and all other occupants at that address. So within all the occupants, if $2,852.85 is paid, judgment is satisfied. If it's not, and parties don't vacate by August 4th, then a writ of eviction can enter, and eviction could occur after August 4th. So you have until August 4th to satisfy that judgment. You have any questions? Okay.
May I hand the court officer the proposed judgment?
Sure.
Thank you.
Wait around for your copies and have a great weekend.
Thank you, Your Honor. That's a lot. Yeah.
On case number 23350054.
Thank you, Judge. Attorney Paul Spring, LLP 73366 on behalf of the plaintiff.
All right. Good morning. Is Ursula King Newsom here? Ursula King Newsom? All right. Is anyone on Whitcomb here? Counsel?
Thank you, Judge. At this time, I'd like to move for a default judgment, and I'm prepared to share the numbers with the court. Those numbers are rent arrears, $4,125.00. Court costs of $162.50. And if my arithmetic is correct, $4,287.50.
So I have.
I'm sorry?
That's my arithmetic.
That's your arithmetic. I think this would take us to the 24th, I believe?
July 24th. So default judgment is granted, defendant failed to appear not once but twice. The total amount owed is $4,287.50. That must be paid, or defendants must vacate by July 24th, 2023.
Thank you, Judge. And now, may I present to the court officer a proposed judgment?
Yes, you may.
I think so. Thank you. And that's all I have with you today, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, and the best of luck in the basketball game this weekend.
Right, one day. Thank you. We'll see if I come in limping on Monday.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, we'll know what happened if you're not here, right?
I know I signed it. Did I sign stuff without? That's why I think you signed everything, Judge. But did I, was it, were they loose claims or did I give you? Files.
Oh, then I don't think he's brought, no, Peter hasn't brought those yet, Judge.
Okay, but the stuff I did before or whatever I had, I gave it to you in the file?
You did. Okay. Yeah, Judge.
Have a great weekend. Sir, just have a great weekend.
Oh, you too, thank you.
You guys.
All right now.
Turn on silent.
We have returned.
Yeah, respond. Genesis Catherine, Erlene Murray.
That's me, Early Murray.
I'm sorry for, is Charlie Cobbs here? Is Marvin Walker Jones here? Come on up.
Judge, I'm gonna represent Ms. Murray. Here's the file right here.
Okay, okay, so you did have counsel out?
Yeah.
Okay. So I thought I asked, all right, cool. Are you all ready on that one?
Ready.
Okay. Calling case number 2335-0122. This is Erlene Murray, Charlie Cobbs versus Marvin Walker Jones and all.
Good morning, Joe Work at 75969. Erling Murray, who's present.
Good morning. Can you state your name for the record? All right, thank you.
Next, going to hearing on a complaint to recover possession, defendant sealed to appear, seeking a default judgment of possession. I can fill out an appearance and propose judgment of the jury.
Okay. Ms. Murray, are you the owner of the property at 15410 Mile?
I am the owner.
Okay. You have, what'd you say?
Charlie Cox is my granddad.
And she does have a copy of the claim deed, but we need to make a copy if possible.
Okay, yeah, well, I would love to put it in the file. If you have it, please, you can approach. All right, is Marvin Walker Jones here? Anyone at 15410 Myers? All right, counsel, what would you like to do?
I'm asking for a quick call judgment of possession hearing.
All right, default judgment is granted. And it must vacate by July 24th, 2023, or writ of eviction may issue. You are welcome.
Those looking out shortly.
Okay, I'll leave it up there.
Thank you.
All right, you have a great weekend. I'm sorry.
This is to. I don't know which one it is, Judge. It says dismissed to her, but then it says consent for Maria also.
Yeah.
Got it. They're already on 528 Williamson.
For the first time on the record.
It's a good topic.
Oh, they did it as a default and a consent versus the hearing.
Ah, I see.
So what I'll do- All right, good morning. What case is this? Oh, no.
23349528 Williamson.
All right. All right, calling case number 2334952 Orchestra Towers versus Beverly Williamson and all occupants.
Good afternoon, Joe Burke, P75969, here with the complaint.
Carly Schneider, law clerk, Lakeshore Legal Aid, requesting permission to practice pursuant to Michigan Court Rule 8.120.
You are granted that permission.
File PNP 86413, supervising.
All right, any objections?
No.
Okay, and may I have Ms. Williamson say her name? You don't even have to stand up, ma'am. You can just tell me your name.
Emily Williamson.
Good afternoon. Thank you. Are the parties able to work out some type of resolution?
We have a conditional dismissal.
Okay. What are the terms of the conditional dismissal?
So defendant must pay monthly rent timely for both August and September 2023, and then pay the remaining balance by September 12, 2023. And that balance is $237.
Okay, and what's our monthly rent?
$77.
Yeah, what is the total amount owed?
$237.
Okay, so $77 each month, and then at the end of that, those payments, $237.
Yes.
Okay.
My understanding is she might be eligible for some third-party things as well.
Okay. All right, Ms. Williamson, do you understand that? Okay, so you're agreeing to pay your timely rent of $77 for August and September, correct?
Correct.
And at the end of September, a payment of $237 will be owed that you agreed to pay by the end of September.
Said $77 for my rent.
Is that your monthly rent?
No. It's $253, I think.
Okay.
Monthly rent is $275.
Yeah, I see 275 on the complaint with a total rent due of 515. So it's a total. What is the total?
She's down to 237, so she'll have to pay 275 for August, 275 for September, and then hopefully the third party payer pays this current balance of 237 for September the 12th. We have.
Okay.
75 months.
275 for 2 months, and then you'll have a, go ahead. Yep, so August, 275, September, 275, and then by September 12th, a payment of $237. All right.
Ms. Williamson will have some applications for resources. We're gonna help you find the money to pay that.
All right, anything else? Is it 4B?
4B back.
Yes.
Okay, have you advised Ms. Williamson of that, what that means? Okay.
Yes.
All right, the court is satisfied. Be presented to the court officer. We'll sign it. All right, have a great weekend, Ms. Williamson.
Thank you, same to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I waited on the one that on this
Sure, one thing for 540 and 551.
See why?
So, White. 540-591. 551. Okay. Calling case number 2334-9540. This is Paquette Square versus Dennis McKinley.
Good afternoon, Joe Work at P75969 at behalf of Plaintiff.
You. Mr. McKinley here. Counsel, are you requesting an adjournment?
I am, Your Honor. Mr. Lando's office asked me to request this in advance of the hearing here today. There might be some issues with the current ledger, so we're looking to set this out a couple weeks to put it up.
Okay. All right. When would you like to come back?
Either July 28th or August 1st.
Let's do July 28th. At 9:01.
Thank you.
Court finds good cause to adjourn. 540. Calling case number 2334-9551, Paquette Square versus Tyrone Woods.
Good afternoon, Joe Work at P75969 appearing for Plaintiff.
Thank you.
Your same scenario as the prior case, there might be some issues with the ledger. Management is asking to adjourn this case to address that. Wait for that same date time.
Okay, and that date was the 28th of July?
Yes.
At 9:01. Court finds good cause to adjourn this matter to July 28th at 9:01 a.m.
Mr. Green is back online. We should be ready on that case as well.
Mr. Green. All right. I'm going to call your case right now. Calling case number 2334-9530, Orchestra Towers versus Carlos Green.
Good afternoon, Joe Work at P75969 appearing for Orchestra Towers.
Thank you. And Mr. Green, can you state your name for the record?
Carlos Anthony Green.
Thank you, Mr. Green.
Aaron, give Mr. Green a phone call. He indicates the balance that arises out of an issue with management not processing his recertification. He received CR funds in 2022, and at that same time tried to recertify. Indicated there was a new manager in place. Don't know the answer to all of his inquiries at this point. I'm hoping he will press management and HUD to investigate this, and after a short adjournment, to address this to August 1st.
All right, the court finds good cause to adjourn this matter to August 1st at 9:01 a.m. so that Mr. Green can try to get his recertification done and get this balance addressed and adjusted, if that's the case. Mr. Green, you have any questions?
No, sir.
All right, and obviously you'll be allowed to appear on Zoom on August 1st.
Yes, sir.
All right, if you have any issues, if you have some technical issues, call the court. But there shouldn't be any issues, the Zoom should be up. So,
okay.
All right, thank you. Have a great weekend.
All right, do the same.
All right, thank you.
Five are my only other opposing parties here.
All right, Virginia Walker. Calling case number 23349-550 Emerald Springs Apartments versus Virginia Walker and all occupants. Come on up.
Good afternoon, Joe Work at P75969 representing Emerald Springs Park.
Carla Valdez, law clerk for Lakeshore Legal Aid, requesting permission to practice under Michigan Court Rule 8.120, supervised by Pilot Union number 86413.
All right, permission is granted.
May I have your name?
Virginia Walker.
Thank you, Ms. Walker. All right. Are parties able to work out some type of resolution?
No, Your Honor. Lakeshore Legal Aid filed a motion for filed an answer to the complaint. Plaintiff had insufficient pleadings, failure to show good cause, failure to properly plead fraud, and as well as failure to follow the enforcement agreement's procedures.
All right, I don't have, what's your motion, okay, so you,
I do, it's an actually an answer, Your Honor, not a motion.
okay, it's an answer, it's fine.
I
Yeah,
think, I think what Ms. Valdez was looking for is a brief period of discovery. Maybe set, I think we're ready for a bench trial, maybe you said on this, it's kind of an all or nothing.
okay, all right, well, how much time do you need for discovery or sort
I'm
of?
requesting 60 days.
I would ask for 28 days with a bench trial, approximately 5 weeks.
All right, let's do discovery within 30 days. If you all need more time, you can ask for it. And we'll set the bench trial for August 31st.
And because of the length of time, it's understandably required for a contested case, I would ask for much to order back.
And that's for order?
Yes.
All right, what's your current monthly rent?
It went from 0 to they just updated because of this to 555.
555?
From 0.
Okay. All right. We're mid 555. Let's do. I'm going to order. Unless you want to do the math.
At 304 for July, 555 for August.
Do 19 days?
And it's 17 days.
17 days. All right. So. Yeah, I'll enter escrow order. What is the amount?
$304 for prorated July, and then 555 beginning August.
Okay, have you ever, why was your amount, what's going on? Was it a recertification issue?
I did the recertification. They zeroed it out because of my income, but because of these allegations, they upped it. I've never paid I've been standing since 14. I've never paid over $400.
Okay.
So because of this stuff, they upped it to, that's a lot though.
So this is what was the amount through July?
304.
304. I'm going to order $304 to be put in escrow before the trial starts. That's the order. 304 has to be paid. I'm not going to order 304 and an additional month rent because you're not paying anything. Even though that's what's alleged and that's what's due, at least the plaintiff gets something. It's a good faith payment. Are you working? Okay.
And I normally wouldn't push back on that, but the particular allegation in this case is that the defendant is subleasing her unit, not disclosing the income that she's making off the subless.
Okay.
And it really ties into, she's not reporting this income. She certainly should have income to pay this. She was a zero renter, shouldn't have been. So I really think it's appropriate to order both payments.
Okay.
Your Honor, those payments were a gift from her ex-boyfriend to assist her in a time when she lost her job due to an illness.
Okay,
He never lived in the apartment. She was retained possession.
all right, so let's just keep it at 304 for both months. I'll order 304 for both months then. It's not the full, you're not getting full month, but 340 be deposited for this month and then for next month as well.
I'll present council with that proposed order. We'll submit it to you today.
Okay, all right, thank you. Do you need a blank order?
I have one here. Thank you.
All right. Let's see. All right, you all have a great weekend.
And what time will we come back on this first?
9:01. All right, what's this? All defaults now?
I think so.
Is Dorcas Wood or Eddie Lee Miles here?
Yes.
Calling case number 233500077. This is Dorcas Wood versus Eddie Lee Miles. Defendant and plaintiff is present here. Is she presenting, Judge?
Oh, is that what she had to do?
I look at that, oh, you know, very up there.
Who was
You
her?
not speaking early. Johnny go to Minnesota.
Oh, he's right. Still, this is the Marvin Walker Jones.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, once we get the judgment.
I'm going out right now.
Oh, okay.
All right, and then these aren't your cases. Calling case number 233500077. This is Dorcas Wood versus Eddie Lee Miles and all other occupants. Anyone? Dorcas Wood here. Is Eddie Lee Miles here? And plaintiff fails to appear. This matter is dismissed without prejudice. It's my motion for the to have the call. 50077. Is Verdell Blackman here? He's not a black.
Yeah, Donald.
Donald. Okay. Well, MOM too. Calling case number 233500097, Verdell Blackman versus Rachel Adu. All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. Defendant and plaintiff failed to appear for this hearing. Matter is dismissed without prejudice. Ardell Black, Eminent versus Rachel.
You said 009 stop?
Yes.
It's on the document. I don't see that on the document.
They're right here.
Oh, good.
Okay. I have it as July. Strike that. Looks like it's scheduled for July 21st. I'm not gonna dismiss this. No one needs to be put in the file, which is understandable.
Yeah.
This is Officer Coates.
Yes, Your Honor.
This needs to go with the July 21st.
21st?
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you. Jamie Haifa. On case number 2335-0115. County Haifa versus Genesis Catholic. And all occupants have 6539 Long Acre on the first floor. Neither plaintiff nor defendant is present. Matter is dismissed.
Nothing. We don't know where.
Did you get that 115 dismissed? Morton Manor Apartments versus Armando Orr. On case number 2335-0009, Morton Manor Apartments versus Armando Orr, and all occupants on the Quincy Street. May I have appearances? And plaintiff failed to appear. Case is dismissed without prejudice.
Yeah. This is default, we got. Ready for him? Dismissal?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, I already signed.
Oh, yeah, that's why I was asking first.
All right, calling case number 233495529. This is Orchestra Towers versus Bernard Finley.
75969.
Defendant Bernard Finley is failed to appear or check in. Check in. Counsel, do you have any requests?
I am requesting a default judgment, Your Honor.
Granted. What is the total amount due?
1,219 in rent plus 160 in court costs for a total of $1,379.
All right, defendant must pay that amount or vacate by July 24th.
I apologize, the 160 was already included in the 1,219, so that's the total due.
Okay, so the total due is $1,219, which must be paid by July 24th. On case number 233495534. This is Orchestra Towers versus Jeanette McCarthy. Jeanette McCarver here. Jeanette McCarver is not here. She appeared at the last hearing, but failed to appear today. Counsel, are you requesting a default judgment?
Yes, I am, please, Your Honor.
All right, default judgment is granted. This appears to be a non-payment of rent. What's the total rent due now?
Total is $1,791. That is inclusive of court costs.
Okay. That must be paid. Defendant must vacate or pay $1,791 by July 24th, 2023, or remains. Sharon Chamberlain is a dismissal.
We're coming across that one.
So 9537, yeah. Already been discussed. On case number 233495538. This has been dismissed as well. So, okay. On case number 233495542. This is Paquette Square versus Robert Johnson.
Good afternoon, Joe Worker, P75969, the applicant, Pet Square.
All right, and it's Robert Johnson here. Failed to appear. Counsel, are you requesting a default judgment?
Yes, Your Honor. Current rent is at $3,779, there are 160 in court costs, total of $3,939.
That amount must be paid by July 24th. Defendant must vacate or pay that amount by July 24th. Or a writ of eviction could issue after that date. On case number 233495544. This is Paquette Square versus Fernando McFarland.
Good afternoon, Joe Worker, 375-9693.
All right, it's Fernando McFarland here. 621 Brush Street. Council, are you requesting a default?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
All right, granted, defendant failed to appear not once, but twice. This is a non-payment of rent. How much rent is owed to retain?
There's 3,837 plus 160 in court costs for a total of 3,990.
That amount must be paid by July 24, 2020. Or an order of eviction could be applied for after that date. Or you might be able to get some of your dismissals. Whatever was in that mix that was dismissed. I'm trying to.
Thank you.
Calling case number 233495549. This is Granada Apartments versus Daniel Enoch and all occupants.
Good afternoon, Joe Worker, 275-9693.
It's Daniel Enoch here. Danielle Enoch. Anyone in unit 21 on Greenfield? All right, defendant failed to appear. Counsel, are you requesting a default?
I am here, this is a health hazard complaint. The notice to quit specifically indicates that the landlord is pleading for an immediate order of eviction. But failed to appear, that is the relief I'm seeking.
Okay, that relief is granted. You're requesting immediate possession, right?
Yes.
That's granted. Calling case number 233495552. This is Paquette Square versus Michael Jeans.
Good afternoon, Joe Worker, 375-9693.
Good morning, good afternoon. It's Michael Jeans here. Michael Jeans. There's no Michael Jeans. All right. Council, you may proceed.
Yeah, this is not being a rent case based on defendant's failure to appear and requesting a default judgment. Total due is 2,673.
Default judgment is granted. What was the total again?
2,673.
2673 must be paid by July 24th, 2023, or writ of eviction may issue. All right. That conclude your document?
Lisa, I hope so.
I think it does.
Oh, I know.
Coach, what is the adjourn date for 547?
5.7. 28, 7, 28, 23 at 10.